Once again, I want to welcome you to a new trading day. I appreciate every one of you again and getting a lot of messages concerning the class coming up on Saturday. More details will still be given. I've not sent in anyone login details. I will send that later. Thank you. So let's get into what we have today. This morning, did some trade and I took this trade. The major trend is up. I was looking for this area, waiting for market because I know this is buyer's area and this is also an SNR area. So when I got this sign here, a reversal sign, I went to the next candle. Okay, this is a major uptrend too. So this I was waiting to trade a continuation trade. So after this market, I knew the next level would be this area. So I went with this trade. And this trade, it took me a long time to analyze this because I knew the trend is an uptrend here, but there is a lot of consolidation here. So I was waiting and watching this minor uptrend and minor downtrend here. So I saw a lot of buyers coming in here, coming in here, coming in here, coming in here. And when I saw this buyer finally and saw another seller coming in and they couldn't break this level, I knew buyers were going to continue. So I went with the buyers here. This is similar to the previous one. It's something I took time to watch. That is why I find it to be very challenging to just trade candles like Sir Ebenezer, who has mastered the thing. When we become like him, we can do that. So I was observing this market here and saw a lot of buyers here, and sellers coming in, but they are finding it very challenging here. So when I noticed buyers, two buyers are able to come into this level, I knew buyers are finally taking over from the sellers. So I went with the third candle here. Here you can see a major uptrend, minor downtrend, and buyers have reversed. But at this level, I was watching this level carefully because this is a round number. So when I saw rejection from the previous candle and rejection from these sellers also, and they couldn't break through the round number, I went with the sellers. Here I made this mistake. It's similar to this one. The trade is similar. What I did here was I knew it's an uptrend. Sellers came in. Then when I noticed buyers came in here, I was carried away to remember that this is a round number and they couldn't break it. So sellers came in. So that's why I lost it, because I wanted to continue with the buyers. Haven't seen these two bullish candles. So I lost this because this round number I forgot. This is also similar to some of the trade I showed you. Buyers are here in this consolidated area. So when I notice a strong movement of sellers coming in, and at this same time they were still at this buyers area, so I decided to go with the buyers. Okay, this one, major uptrend, and the uptrend has started again. So I saw this area, this bullish momentum candle, and I knew that this is an area that needs to be watched. But because I know major uptrend, and uptrend has started again, the first candle, the second candle, the third candle, so I went with the fourth candle. So this is how I try to do analysis. On Saturday, like I said, I will give you more information that will be able to help you in your trading. So if you have not shown your interest, you can also check the details and show your interest. I might not be able to take everyone because I already have a lot of people showing interest, and the slot is almost about to get filled up because of Zoom. And if you are still interested, you can show your interest Saturday this week. God bless you. Thank you.